Number 1. Introducing the 1951 Chevrolet Styleline Deluxe, a beautifully designed two-door classic car that offers timeless elegance and potential. Powered by a 350 SBC engine paired with a Saginaw 3-speed stick transmission and a GM Camaro rear end, this vehicle combines vintage style with modern performance. It features a stock frame that has been blasted and painted, along with new glass that enhances its visual appeal. With a clean title in hand, this car retains its original charm and presents a fantastic base for a restoration enthusiast. Whether you're looking to keep its classic design or add your personal touch, this Chevrolet Styleline Deluxe offers an exciting project opportunity. Priced at $10,000 and located in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, this vehicle is a must-see for any classic car lover. Number 2. Next up is the 1936 Ford 5-window, an iconic coupe that embodies the classic charm of the 1930s. This vintage vehicle comes with a rumble seat and features a drivetrain, 40 juice brakes, and 40 rims with trim. While the car requires restoration, its timeless appeal and solid structure make it a fantastic candidate for anyone looking for a rewarding project. The car is equipped with manual transmission and has a driven mileage of only 1,000 miles, further enhancing its desirability. This red beauty holds immense potential as a historic vehicle, offering a perfect foundation for restoration or preservation. Priced at $8,000 and located in New Auburn, Wisconsin, the 1936 Ford 5-window coupe is an excellent addition to any collection. To explore more about this classic, visit the link in the description. Number 3. Introducing the 1948 Oldsmobile Series 88, a classic four-door sedan that stands as a symbol of post-war American automotive engineering. Powered by a straight-8 engine and with 127,000 miles on the odometer, this Montana vehicle runs smoothly and shifts well. The solid frame ensures durability, while the car's all-original interior and repainted exterior with Yosemite Sam pinstripes preserve its vintage charm. Though the paint shows signs of aging and minor brake work is needed, the car has received a recent tune-up, new tires, and a new battery, making it a reliable option for anyone looking to restore a classic. Priced at $6,000 and located in Jackson, Michigan, this Oldsmobile Series 88 is a solid choice for enthusiasts seeking a unique addition to their collection. For further details and inquiries, check out the link in the description. Number 4. Next up is the 1950 Chrysler Royal, a beautiful example of classic American engineering. This tan beauty features a flathead 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission, providing a solid driving experience. With 74,290 miles on the odometer, this car runs and drives well, with all systems functioning as expected. The excellent condition of the vehicle makes it an ideal candidate for preservation or light restoration. Its remarkable blend of style and functionality showcases the best of mid-century American cars. Priced at $6,000 and located in Columbia, Kentucky, this Chrysler Royal represents an excellent opportunity for anyone looking to own a piece of automotive history. To explore more about this vehicle, be sure to visit the link in the description. Number 5. Here is the 1951 Mercury lead sled, a true barn-find classic with a distinctive and iconic design. Featuring original suicide doors and drivetrain, this car is powered by a flathead V8 engine and has not run for about 15 to 20 years. The car has a solid frame but does show some minor rust patches behind the rear doors. Spare parts are included in the trunk, adding even more value to this already enticing project car. With its untouched originality and immense potential, the Mercury lead sled is a dream project for any classic car enthusiast looking to restore or preserve a rare gem. Priced at $6,900 and located in New Buffalo, Michigan, This vehicle presents a fantastic opportunity for those eager to bring this classic back to life. For more information, be sure to check the link in the description. Number 6. Introducing the 1952 Chevrolet Styleline, a classic car that blends vintage charm with modern updates. This car features a Camaro front subframe and rear end, equipped with modern disc brakes all around, making it a more reliable and safe vehicle to drive. While the body retains its original design, it has been updated with a 53 grille, adding to its classic appeal. This car runs well and was driven all last summer, making it a versatile and enjoyable classic to own. Minor updates, such as a new headliner, could take it to the next level. If you're looking for a well-rounded classic with vintage appeal and modern performance, this Styline is a fantastic option. Priced at $10,000 and located in South Beloit, Illinois, it offers a solid foundation for either continued enjoyment or further restoration. Check out the link in the description for more details. Number 7. Next up is the 1953 Chevrolet Belair, a vintage coupe that stands as a solid restoration or customization project. This Belair has 80,349 miles on the odometer and runs and drives well, featuring an automatic transmission. As a project car, it offers a fantastic base for anyone looking to bring a classic back to life or modify it into their own unique build. With its historic design, the 1953 Chevrolet Belair is a popular model among enthusiasts. Located in Greenwood, Nebraska, and priced at $6,000, this coupe presents a great opportunity for classic car lovers seeking a project. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description for more details. Number 8. Introducing the 1953 Packard Clipper Wagon, a rare and unique project car with 80,000 miles on the odometer. While it is not currently running, this Packard wagon retains its original chrome and hood ornament, adding to its historical value. The car needs brake repairs, a new gas tank, and floor restoration, but it offers tremendous potential for the right buyer willing to invest in its restoration. This is a car that could become a standout classic once fully restored, making it a great opportunity for anyone passionate about vintage vehicles. Priced at $3,000 and located in Norwalk, Connecticut, the Packard Clipper wagon is waiting for someone to bring it back to life. For more information, follow the link in the description. Number 9. Next up is the 1954 Chevrolet, a straight 6-engine classic ready for a new owner to complete its journey. With just 1,234 miles driven, this car features an automatic transmission and retains its original design, making it a valuable piece for any collector or enthusiast. Located in Kansas City, Missouri, it is priced at $5,000 and is awaiting someone to restore or customize it. Whether you're looking to return it to its former glory or add your personal touch, this Chevrolet has plenty of potential for a passionate buyer. Check the description link for more details. Number 10. Here's the 1955 Packard Clipper, an all-original classic project vehicle in need of some restoration work. Powered by a 350-block engine and equipped with a 4-speed transmission, this Packard Clipper is in its original form, which is a rarity for enthusiasts and collectors. Currently, it requires a gas tank cleaning, a battery, and some additional attention to fully bring it back to life. With chrome parts included in the trunk and a solid frame, this car is a great option for a dedicated restorer or someone seeking a unique addition to their collection. Priced at $8,000 and located in Oxnard, California, this car offers a solid foundation for someone ready to put in the effort to restore it. For more details, visit the link in the description. Number 11. Introducing the 1955 Ford F-100, a classic truck that offers a fantastic restoration opportunity. With 123,456 miles on the odometer, this truck is powered by a petrol engine and features an automatic transmission. The exterior and interior both showcase a timeless white-on-white color scheme. Though the vehicle is described as being in excellent condition, it requires work in nearly every area to restore it to its former glory. Whether you are a seasoned enthusiast or someone looking for a project to invest in, this 1955 Ford F-100 offers a solid foundation for a full restoration. Priced at $7,000 and located in Mesa, Arizona, this classic model presents a great opportunity to bring new life to an iconic truck. For more details, make sure to visit the link in the description. Number 12. Next up is the 1957 Chevrolet Belair, a stunning example of American automotive history. This two-door hardtop has been driven 55,555 miles and is powered by a petrol engine with an automatic transmission. Its silver exterior and charcoal interior give it a sleek, classic look. The Belair comes with a clean title and a solid frame but does require significant restoration work, particularly addressing the rusted floor pans. With its classic style and strong foundation, this Belair provides a great starting point for a rewarding restoration project. Priced at $6,500 and located in Springfield, Missouri, this car offers an excellent opportunity to own a legendary piece of automotive history. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more information. Number 13. Introducing the 1959 Edsel Ranger, a rare and unique two-door model that embodies mid-century automotive design. Driven 100,000 miles, this car is powered by a 289 V8 engine and features a 3-speed manual transmission, also known as 3 on the tree. Recently, it has been updated with new brake shoes, wheel cylinders, wheel bearings, shocks, ball joints, and tie rods, along with a rebuilt carburetor and new Coker-wide whitewall tires. While it runs and drives smoothly, the car does require new brake lines. Priced at $10,000 and located in Elkton, Michigan, this Edsel Ranger offers an exceptional project opportunity for anyone looking to restore a unique piece of automotive history. For further details, visit the link in the description. Number 14. Introducing the 1959 Ford Custom 300, a beautifully preserved classic car that offers an ideal restoration project. With only 29,310 miles on the odometer, this green-on-green beauty is powered by a manual transmission and equipped with power steering and standard brakes. The car runs and drives well, making it a solid option for a drivable restoration. While there is some minimal surface rust in certain areas, the overall condition of the vehicle is impressive for its age. Located in Payton City, West Virginia, and priced at $8,500, this Ford Custom 300 is a wonderful opportunity to own a piece of Ford's rich history. For more details, Check the link in the description. Number 15. Next up is the 1960 Ford Falcon, a compact and charming project car that has the potential to become a standout classic. Powered by a 170 CI straight-six engine from 1968, paired with an automatic transmission, this Falcon has been driven 666,666 miles. The car has had several updates, including a new fuel pump, gas tank, fuel lines, and a rebuilt carburetor. While the vehicle starts, drives, and stops, it requires attention to the auto choke, front brakes, and some interior work. Cosmetically, the Falcon presents well, but will need a detailed restoration to reach its full potential. Priced at $3,200 and located in San Diego, California, this is a great option for an enthusiast looking for a rewarding project. For additional information, please refer to the link in the description.